Now we will see one by one that what do you mean by the database integrity. So whether it's logical or physical, data must be protected from the corruption. Corruption means like being corrupted or being like destroyed over there. Protect against database corruption. How you can protect against database corruption? Allow only authorized individual to perform updates. Okay, so only the authorized user will be able to perform. So how you can know, how can you know authorized and unauthorized? It's duty of information security professional or the IT administrator to make things authorized or non-authorized. And then we have and then we have recover from the physical problems, power failures, disk crashes over there. So sometime this might happen as well, that some power gets failed over there, or the disk crashes as well. So these kind of recovery, what is your plan for that one, being an IT administrator or the information security administration? So if the power fails, so what should be the case in the database? How you gonna make the transactions if it is not committed? So how you gonna save that transaction? So there should be like a backup plan or a backup plan for it, or means that there should be some UPS systems for in case of power failure over there. And disk crashes, if there is a disk crash, so you must have a backups plan over there. We call a RAID system. RAID is one of the kind system which is basically RAID. RAID is for redundant independent, I think we call RAID system, redundant independent disks over there. So they are called the RAID systems over there. They have like a different disks parallel, okay, in the different shelf over there. For example, they have like backup for here, like they have two backup or three backups over there. For this one, there is a backup over here. Okay, so in case if one the disks fails, okay, so you have the other backups as well. This is called RAID system, redundant array of independent disk, they are called. So it is one of the very important computer architecture to save your data. Perform periodic backups. So how to perform the periodic backups to the RAID system? Keep logs of transactions. Okay, so whenever any transaction is done, so you have to make a backup of the transaction as well. So log means the backup. So backup is called like we call it. I just write for you. Means backup. The log means the backup for the transaction as well. To replay a transaction since last backup. So in case if you want to double check that the transaction happened or not, so you should have the ability to replay it.